are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. And the topic of today's session is SQL Injections. Our guest speaker today is Hitesh Chaudhary. He is a CTO and instructor at Igneous Technologies Private Limited. Author of 3 books, 20 online training courses, and founder of newdemi.com website. Hitesh Chaudhary was trained as an electronics engineer and mastered as computer network and information security. He is renowned author, video author, international speaker, and security consultant. Also, he is trained in wireless security from professionals of MIT. He created various tools and attacks like wireless Euronymous featured in Pentest magazine and in Backtrack project. He is also an active consultant and speaker for police in India and Army intelligence, and his work was featured in 20 plus air, print and live media. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Hitesh.
Thank you so much, TechGig, for allowing me the again opportunity for presenting here. So I think we are ready to go and we can start the session. So first of all, let's start with this SQL injection. So I hope all of you are very excited about this SQL injection, and I will make sure that all of you remain excited. For this, we are going to give the practical sessions first and theoretical afterwards, because what the problem is with lots of talk, we talk, and talk. We don't present the practical approach. So I would be presenting the practical approach, and let's move on to out here on the presentation. And here is my email ID. Lots of people complain me, hey Tesh, you forgot to share your email ID where we can approach you or ask some questions. Apart from them, I have created lots of courses out there at newdemi.com. I think 22 plus, all about information security to the basic trainings on C, C++. So hope you will visit that website and out there. So now let's talk about the SQL injection. Now, SQL injection is a method, I hope many of you might have heard about it. It creates lots of massacre on the websites, or in rather general and simple words, whenever there is an SQL vulnerability in the website can be penetrated to the database level. The entire database can be ripped out, and this vulnerability has been found on lots and lots of web applications, including the good ones like Income Tax Department of India, like the Facebook, and has been reported severely out there. But again, the problem is there is no perfect solution, there is no perfect training. So I have created an explicit course on the SQL injection, and I would be sharing some glimpse of it so that you can actually start from the very scratch that how SQL works, how to protect with them, how to learn them, and lots of such questions. So I would not be wasting much time in the talks, as I have promised you to make this series as interactive and interesting. So let's get interesting first of all. I would move on to my browser so that we can actually see what we have got here out. So here